Hello everyone, just a quick one. I wanted to give a shout out to Marty and Josh for organizing this amazing group, the Crypto Cash Flow. I've met them in late 2019 when I joined the Kindle Cash Flow, and they were just, they are simply amazing. You're in good hands, so do check Crypto Cash Flow out. It's amazing what they're doing. I love the course so far. I'm a bit behind, but I'll catch up. I always wanted to be an investor, and in order for me to be an investor, I wanted to be a business owner first. So I've started with Kindle Cash Flow, and I'm still working on that. And I still want to be an investor, and you can't be an investor without knowing anything about crypto. And I started from scratch. Started learning a few months ago myself, bought a few coins, and having this clear path now, organized by Marty and Josh, is so much more easier. I just love it. It's, simple steps to follow. They give you everything you need. You're in very good hands. Do check it out. I love these guys. Love you, Marty. I love you, Josh. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.